So student, as I am doing the sorting options, from the data, I select the sort. So if you select only the cabbage, cabbage cannot. So I am selecting a column 1. Okay. In which order? In ascending order or descending order? Suppose I have selected descending order here. Then if you click on OK, you see the thing has been sorted. That means as per the name they are there. So A, then B, then here R, then U. Okay, as per that it has been sorted. So if you want to do it in the sorting phase, suppose you go there, again column 1. Okay, any column you can choose in the ascending order. Okay, see the value will going to change. So this way you can do the sorting of your data. If suppose you have given a jumbled up of the data in the table, that also you can do. So these are the things what are available in the table. You can work with this particular structure of the tables. Okay, let us give some more values here. More values here. Suppose 55, 55, then suppose 20, then suppose 10. Okay, now here I am giving the values, suppose 6, 40, then suppose 20, then suppose 10. So these are the different values in the market on the different days has been given. As you know, you can use the formula to do the particular work, and you can bring the number here in this particular format. Okay, so this the thing, this is the particular designing, table designing. Now another particular part, table designing. Let us go to the table designing. One more thing is there that I need to show you. So conversion has been there and splitting of the tables is there. So here what you find, if you want to delete the table, okay, deleting of the table, and if you want to draw the table, suppose you want to draw. Now take this particular pen. Okay, as you take this pen, you see the pen is there. Now if you want to drag one line here, see the line is there. So this is how you can draw it. If you want to erase, you select the eraser, select the particular line, and the line will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can do the work on base of this particular table and table implementations. Okay, so this is how you can use the table in a different form or different way. So this is the different way of implementation of the table. Now comes the special things, that's the border shading and all, and the layout options also. See here the different form of layouts are there, as I have used it. Okay, as I have used it, the different type of layouts are there. Suppose this is a type of layout that you can use. Okay, you can use any pattern of layouts. They are based on this particular designing what has been given to it. All the different type of layouts are there. Different type of plain grids also you can use. Okay, any pattern of layouts that is applicable, that you think the best or the good for the presentation, that you can do it. uh, there is a modifying styles are also there. Different styles are see here, those the different type of styles are there. So you can use the style as per your requirement. You can change the color, whichever color you want, whatever the writing style you want, writing pattern. See here, this if you want, see this particular pattern of writing will going to come, isn't it? So writing, if you don't want a color, you can give. If you want to fill with a color, that also you can, no color is there. If you want to fill with them with some color, suppose see those the other section will be filled with the this particular peach color, isn't it? So whatever you want you can do. So those the totally things depend upon your ideas, that what is your idea regarding to this particular designing and implementation of your table. Okay, if your implementation and designing is proper, you can easily use any pattern of things. Now table heading is there. In this particular format also you can give, or you can come here in the table part, see the design